Okay, so it's 4 weeks before the Marysville Melbourne Multi-Sport Challenge down here in Victoria. This year I'm training to do it solo. It's a 20-kilometre trail run, hilly, usually muddy, 90-kilometre road ride, also hilly, around these areas in Victoria. Then a 15-kilometre trail run along the Yarra River into Melbourne, and then 30-kilometre paddle to finish in the Docklands. It's a grueling one-day event, which is pretty much a step up for me from a shorter distance multi-sport and adventure races up to a bit of an epic. I'm doing it for charity this year, trying to raise money and the profile for Soldier On, which is an outstanding charity looking after injured servicemen and women from the Australian Defence Force. So please have a look around the house, in behind the cushions of the couch, bottom of the washing machine. Scrounge around and see if you can find some loose change. Every bit helps.